So hey everyone, and welcome back to another one of my videos. Or if you're new here, then hello, welcome. My name is LUNAROSE because I am the Floral Fantasy, and for today's very special makeup transformation and tutorial, we are turning ourselves into this full-on Bangee Barbie Bombshell. I finally picked up the Fresh Prince collaboration with Glamlite. I am a 90s baby, I was born in 1994, so the Fresh Prince of Bel-Air was very much my childhood. So when I saw that one of my favourite brands, Glamlite, collaborated with the Fresh Prince of Bel-Air to honestly create a very colourful neon bright eyeshadow palette, I knew I had to pick it up. I purchased everything with my own money, and without further ado, let's get into this tutorial, shall we? Okay, so let's get this look going, shall we? I'm going to start by doing my brows using the Plouise Chocolate Brown Pomade, as well as base out my eyelid using the Rumour Shade 0. To set down my brow bone, I took the Bone Idol Beauty Spaced Out eyeshadow palette. And then for the star of the show, I'm going to take the Fresh Prince of Bel-Air collaboration with Glamlite. And my vibe and theme was just going with the pinks. They were very pigmented, so I started by taking the kind of mid-tone matte like neon pink in the palette and just running that all through the crease of my eye, winging it back towards my temples. Honestly, this is kind of like a one eyeshadow look, since I basically just built that all the way up through my crease and just really built up the intensity, and then took a little bit of the deeper kind of a raspberry tone just to the outer edge. I absolutely love Glamlite's eyeshadow formula. They blend like a dream. They have so much pigmentation, but it still blends out in like a really nice way. So I pretty much just run that through my crease, kind of deep in the outer edge a little bit, and then recarved out my like cut crease shape. Set that down with the Bone Idol Beauty Spaced Out eyeshadow palette, and then I took a tiny little bit of the pink glitter in the top of the palette just on my lid. You could tell in person, but can't really tell too much on camera. Removed the tape and went in with my NYX eyeliner to draw on a winged liner. Shaved my face off camera and swapped the light to a green. My plan was to have green all along, but I completely forgot, since I wanted to do like a pink and green theming to go with like the Will Smith vibe, the Fresh Prince of Bel-Air logo, but pretty much hydrate my skin and then go in and colour correct my beard area using my Made by Mitchell colour case. Pretty much you always want to go in with something kind of orange toned around the beard area, just so it doesn't show through as much of a 5 o'clock shadow. And then I covered it with my Kevyn Aucoin Essential Skin Enhancer Concealer. For foundation, I took my N4 shade of Be Perfect, and yes, it doesn't match my face and it looks dark, but I kind of do my face makeup to match my like more tanned coloured like breastplate, so pretty much went in with that and then highlighted the central portion of my face using my Be Perfect Full Impact Concealer in shade L1. Blended that out nicely into the foundation, and then took my Made by Mitchell curve case to add some contour to my face, as well as the Made by Mitchell like gigantic blush book to apply a very hefty amount of pink to the backs of my cheeks. I set down my face using my Coty loose airspun powder. This just really keeps everything nicely locked in place. So yes, I am a drag queen. I'm wearing a lot of makeup. I set it down and then went in with my Kryolan setting spray to really cement it in. Knocked off any extra powder using the sheglam powder foundation, which basically just removes the extra powder on my face as well as adds a little bit more coverage. Drew on some little brow strokes using my Frida khalo brow pencil. Recontoured up my face using my BH Cosmetics Pro Contour Kit and bronzer around the forehead, just to kind of give my face a little bit more like definition and structure. And I do drag, so there's a lot of cosmetics. I went in with the Made by Mitchell highlights under my eyes, and then for blush, I took the Baby It's Cold Outside blush palette and literally just mixed together a bunch of different pink blushes all to the backs of my cheeks, a little bit to the tip of my nose, just kind of all over my face basically. And then for highlighter, I took the Glamlite and Fresh Prince of Bel-Air like highlighting palette, and I went in with this really pretty like lavendery, purpley, sparkly highlighter. It is so pretty. It does have like little micro glitters in it, and I love that in drag. It just like, it doesn't have a cast from the front, but when you turn your face, it has the most like beautiful, like iridescent-y, purpley, glittery, shimmery shine. Absolutely love that light highlighter palette. For my lower lash line, I went in with that same neon pink shade, as well as a little bit of the black in the palette, just to add some more like definition. I also smoked a little bit of the black shadow, just kind of to further intensify the cut crease. Popped some white into my waterline to keep my eyes nice and bright and open. I overdrew my lips using my Doll Beauty lip liner and filled it in with the She's the Nude lipstick. And then also within this Glamlite collection and like collaboration, there are two different lip glosses. So one is kind of like a nudie colour and one is a little bit more like pinky toned. So I basically just popped the pinky toned lip gloss to the very centre of my lips, just to give me some nice like juicy DSL kind of lips. Absolutely love this lip gloss as well. Overall, this collection was like very well done. I love the packaging, I love the theming, and everything performed way above my expectations. Like, Glamlite blows me away continuously, but pretty much pop on my wig, and that's the finished look. So yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this Barbie Bombshell transformation. If you did, please give it a thumbs up or a little heart if you're watching this on TikTok. Comment something down below, super sweet. Recommend a future like transformation or something you want to see from me. And don't forget to subscribe to the girl next door with something more. And I'll see you in my next video. Thanks so much for watching. Bye!